Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Carbon hybridization and bond angles are easy following these steps. Let's solve this chemistry problem quickly to find the right answer together.
First, look closely at the carbon atom in the Lewis diagram. We need to count the electron domains around it. There are 3 domains because of the single and double bonds. Since there are 3 electron domains and 0 lone pairs, the carbon must be sp2 hybridized. This specific arrangement always leads to a trigonal planar geometry for the central carbon atom. In a trigonal planar shape, the ideal bond angle is exactly 120 degrees. That makes option B our perfect match for this question. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to prevent mistakes. Trust the given Lewis structure for success.